Our brains, mysterious, powerful, a universe within, holding our thoughts, dreams, memories. Imagine a vast network, billions of neurons firing, a silent symphony of electrical impulses. This is your brain, the command center of you. It's not just a single entity, it's divided, specialized. Each part a maestro in the orchestra of your being. The frontal lobe, the conductor, the parietal lobe, the interpreter of touch, the occipital lobe painting your world with sight, the temporal lobe, a repository of sounds and memories, and deep within the limbic system, a wellspring of emotions, each section a world of its own yet interconnected. Together they create you. Behind your forehead lies the frontal lobe, the CEO of your brain. It's the seat of your personality, shaping who you are. Decision-making, that's the frontal lobe's domain. Planning, organizing, even controlling impulses, all within its purview. Imagine a chess grandmaster strategizing moves. That's your frontal lobe, always calculating, always planning. It helps you navigate social situations, understand consequences. It's the last part of your brain to fully mature, evolving until your mid-20s. The frontal lobe, a constant work in progress, shaping your decisions, your actions, your very being. Now let's journey further into the brain's landscape. Imagine a world of sensations, touch, sight, sound. This is where the parietal, occipital, and temporal lobes reside. The parietal lobe, a master of interpretation. It deciphers the language of touch, temperature, and pain. The occipital lobe, your window to the world, processing visual information, creating the images you see. And the temporal lobe, a keeper of memories, both past and present. It decodes language, allowing you to understand words, music, even the tone of a loved one's voice. These lobes, working in concert, create a symphony of perception, a rich tapestry of your sensory experiences. Close your eyes, feel the chair beneath you, the texture of your clothes. This is the parietal lobe at work, deciphering pressure, temperature, pain. It's the reason you can distinguish between a gentle caress and a firm handshake. It creates a map of your body in your brain, allowing you to navigate space. Imagine a blind person reading Braille. Their parietal lobe is heightened, compensating for the lack of sight. It's a testament to the brain's plasticity, its ability to adapt. The parietal lobe, a silent guardian constantly processing, allowing you to interact with the world through touch. Section 5. A world of sight decoding the occipital lobe. Open your eyes. A kaleidoscope of colors, shapes, and movements floods your vision. This is the occipital lobe, your visual processor. It receives signals from your eyes, transforming them into a coherent picture. Think of a painter, meticulously blending colors on a palette. The occipital lobe does the same, creating a seamless visual experience. It recognizes faces, distinguishes objects, even processes depth and motion. Damage to this lobe can lead to visual impairments, even blindness. The occipital lobe, a testament to the intricate connection between brain and perception. It's a reminder to cherish your sight, this gift of the occipital lobe. Section 6, Symphony of Sounds and Memories, the temporal lobe. Music, laughter, the murmur of conversation. The temporal lobe is the maestro of your auditory world. It processes sound, deciphering language, recognizing melodies, but its role goes beyond just hearing. It's a repository of memories, storing experiences, facts, and even emotions associated with sounds. Imagine the scent of your grandmother's baking, evoking a cherished childhood memory. That's the temporal lobe, linking senses with memories. It's the reason a familiar song can transport you back in time, flooding you with emotions. The temporal lobe, a tapestry of sounds and memories, shaping your perception of the world. Section 7. The emotional compass navigating with the limbic system. Deep within the brain lies the limbic system, a cluster of structures governing your emotions. This intricate network is responsible for how you feel, react, and remember. It's the seat of your fears, joys, and everything in between. Every emotion you experience, from the simplest happiness to the most complex anxiety, originates here. The amygdala, a key player, processes fear and aggression, keeping you safe from harm. It acts as an alarm system, alerting you to potential dangers and triggering your fight or flight response. The hippocampus, a master of memory, forms new memories, linking them to emotions. It helps you remember not just facts, but the feelings associated with those facts, making your memories vivid and emotionally charged. Imagine the thrill of riding a roller coaster, the adrenaline rush as you speed down the tracks, the fear of a close call, your heart pounding in your chest. These experiences are etched in your memory thanks to the limbic system. It ensures that these intense moments are not easily forgotten. It's why you feel a rush of joy seeing a loved one, the warmth and comfort of their presence, or a pang of sadness recalling a loss, the ache of missing someone dear. The limbic system, a complex tapestry of emotions, guiding your reactions, shaping your experiences. It weaves together the threads of your emotional life, influencing how you perceive and interact with the world around you. Section 8. The silent conductor, a cerebellum's graceful dance. Hidden beneath the cerebral cortex lies the cerebellum, often overlooked yet crucial for your every move. It's the maestro of your motor skills, coordinating balance, posture and movement. Imagine a tightrope walker gracefully maintaining equilibrium. That's the cerebellum at work, making constant adjustments, ensuring smooth, coordinated movements. But its role extends beyond physical coordination. It plays a role in learning new skills, from riding a bike to playing an instrument. It refines your movements, making them automatic, effortless. The cerebellum, a silent conductor, orchestrating your every move with precision and grace. Section 9. The intertwined symphony, a unified orchestra. We've explored different sections of the brain, each with its own specialization. From the frontal lobe that governs decision-making to the occipital lobe that processes visual information, each part has a unique role, but the brain doesn't function in isolation. It's not just a collection of separate parts working independently, it's an intricate network, each part communicating, collaborating, creating a unified whole. The neurons fire signals, creating pathways that connect different regions. Imagine an orchestra, each instrument playing its part, yet blending harmoniously to create a symphony. The strings, the brass, the woodwinds and the percussion all come together to produce a beautiful piece of music. That's your brain, a symphony of interconnected functions. Each lobe, each neuron, each synapse plays a part in the grand performance. The frontal lobe might make a decision, but it relies on information from the parietal lobe, the occipital lobe, the temporal lobe. These lobes provide sensory input, visual data and auditory information. The limbic system colors your perceptions with emotions, influencing your actions. It adds the emotional depth to your experiences, making them more vivid and memorable, and the cerebellum ensures your movements are coordinated, precise. It fine-tunes your motor activities, allowing you to perform complex tasks with ease. It's a dance of interconnectedness, a testament to the brain's remarkable design. Each part, each function, each connection contributes to the seamless operation of the whole, creating a unified orchestra of thought, emotion and action. Section 10. The brain's uncharted territory. A journey continues. Even with all our knowledge, the brain remains an enigma, a vast, unexplored territory. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries, unraveling its complexities. We're learning about neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and rewire itself. We're exploring the gut-brain connection, the role of the microbiome in brain health. The field of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, inspired by the brain's neural networks. Yet, for all our advancements, the essence of consciousness, the feeling of being you, remains a mystery. The brain, a source of endless fascination, a frontier of scientific exploration, a testament to the wonder of life itself. Section 11. The enigma of you, a symphony of consciousness. So how many sections are there in the brain? This question has intrigued scientists and philosophers alike for centuries. The answer is complex, multifaceted, and ever-evolving as we delve deeper into the mysteries of our own minds. We can divide it into lobes, systems, even individual neurons. Each part plays a unique role, contributing to the whole. But the true marvel lies in their interconnectedness, the seamless communication between these parts, the way they function as one, creating the symphony of you, your thoughts, your emotions, your very essence, your memories, all products of this intricate dance, each neuron firing, each synapse connecting, contributing to the grand performance. The brain is a reminder that we are more than the sum of our parts. It is a living, breathing testament to the power of interconnectedness, the beauty of complexity. Every thought, every emotion, every memory is a note in the symphony of our existence. So the next time you think, ponder the vast network within you, feel or act. Remember the universe within, the intricate orchestra of neurons and synapses, the orchestra of your brain playing the symphony of your existence. Each moment, each thought, a unique melody, playing the symphony of your existence, a symphony that is uniquely yours, ever changing, ever evolving.